It was a moment that stunned the world. 3rd October, 2016. Kim Kardashian, one of the most famous women on the planet, was bound, gagged, and held at gunpoint inside her luxurious Paris hotel suite. Nearly a decade later, she finally faced her attackers in court, and what she shared left the room silent. Kim Kardashian has just delivered chilling, emotional testimony in a French courtroom, describing, often in graphic, heartbreaking detail, the night she truly believed she was going to die. If you into celebrity news and real-life Hollywood drama, hit that like button and subscribe right now, because this story takes us deep into a night that forever changed Kim's life and the way celebrities now navigate fame, privacy, and personal safety. It was supposed to be a glamorous evening in the heart of Paris. Kim had attended Fashion Week and returned to her private residence at the Hôtel des Portels. But just past 2:30 a.m., 5 men dressed in police uniforms stormed the building, armed, masked, and prepared. According to Kim's testimony, she was wearing only a robe when she heard footsteps. Her phone was taken. The concierge was forced to open her door at gunpoint. Then, the unimaginable happened. The robbers stormed into her suite, and in that moment, Kim said, "I felt like I was going to die." She broke down in tears during her testimony as she recalled being tied up with zip ties, duct tape over her mouth, and a gun shoved in her face. She feared she would be raped. She prayed they would spare her life. She thought about her children and her family. She told the court that her final thought was, "If this is it, I hope Courtney will be okay when she finds my body." For years, Kim stayed mostly silent about the full trauma. Yes, she spoke about it in interviews, on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and in the media, but there was always a layer of detachment. Now, standing before her accused assailants in a court of law, that wall finally came down. She detailed how one of the robbers grabbed her by the ankles and dragged her across the floor. Another man took her $4 million diamond ring, yes, the one Kanye West gave her when they got engaged, right off her hand. In total, they stole nearly $10 million worth of jewelry. One man, she said, kept whispering in French. She didn't understand everything, but the fear was universal. Then they left her bound in the bathtub, alone, shaking, traumatized. The suspects, known in the French media as the grandpa robbers, due to their ages, many of them over 60, are finally facing justice. 12 suspects in total, some charged with robbery, others with kidnapping and criminal conspiracy. And this trial is unlike anything we've seen before. It's not just about catching a gang of seasoned criminals. It's about what happens when celebrity culture, social media exposure, and crime intersect on a terrifying level. Kim admitted that the robbers targeted her because of her Instagram posts. Hours before the robbery, she had flaunted her $1 million ring on social media. To them, it was like a neon sign saying, "I'm rich, I'm alone, come get me." This wasn't just a heist. It was a turning point in Kim Kardashian's life. After the robbery, she stopped wearing flashy jewelry in public. She pulled back from social media. She ramped up her security team. Now she's never without multiple bodyguards. Her public persona was no longer just glamorous, it became guarded, and understandably so. In court, she spoke about how she no longer feels safe traveling without her children. How even the sound of footsteps behind her can trigger panic. How she questions every post before she shares it, constantly thinking, "Am I making myself a target?" A chilling reminder in the digital age. Kim's testimony is more than just a celebrity recounting a traumatic night. It's a warning, a reminder that fame comes with a price. That in the age of Instagram, you never know who's watching, or what they are planning. And yet, Kim's strength in facing those who terrorized her is being seen as an act of closure, not just for herself, but for the millions who watched her rise from reality TV star to global icon. She told the court she didn't need an apology. What she needed was truth. And now that she's spoken it, under oath, in front of the world, maybe she can finally begin to heal. As the trial continues in Paris, prosecutors are pushing for her sentences. Some of the accused have confessed, others remain defiant. But what's clear is that Kim Kardashian's testimony has become the emotional centerpiece of the entire case. Will justice be served? That remains to be seen. But one thing's for sure, Kim Kardashian has taken control of her story in the most powerful way imaginable. For more breaking updates on this story and the biggest headlines in the celebrity world, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. This case is far from over, and you won't want to miss what happens next.